Chemical filter media removes heavy metals, odors, discolorations and pollutants. Premium, research-grade carbon with vast surface area for effectively absorbing impurities. Help creates crystal clear, sparkling aquarium water. Specifically designed for use with the Fluval Spec, Evo and Flex Desktop Aquarium series. Includes 3 replacement activated carbon inserts. Specifically designed for Fluval Spec, Evo and Flex Aquariums, Fluval Spec, Evo, Flex activated carbon provides effective chemical filtration, removing heavy metals, odors, discolorations and pollutants from aquarium water. The research-grade carbon has large amounts of surface area for the adsorption of impurities. Fluval Spec, Evo, Flex activated carbon effectively removes heavy metals, odors, discolorations and pollutants, leaving your aquarium water crystal clear and sparkling. For more fish tank accessories, check out other Fluval products including aquarium filters, aquarium heaters, aquarium air pumps, aquarium lights, aquarium rocks, aquarium thermometers and aquarium stands. Fluval has a wide variety of products that are perfect for your pet fish to enjoy in any large fish tank, small fish tank, saltwater tank or freshwater tank. Fluval broke onto the aquatic scene in 1975 by introducing the world's first 3-stage filter with synchronous motor technology, a breakthrough that is still applied in the industry today. Since then, Fluval has built a legacy around this pioneering spirit, relentlessly adapting in a changing world to launch innovative aquarium products that remain at the forefront of technology, and which set the bar in quality, style and functionality. Fluval's mission is not just about building products that mimic the natural world, but inspiring aquarists of all skill levels to enjoy and respect the hobby for generations to come. Top reviews from the United States. Foam filter block replacement. This Part 1 ordered to have on hand for a 6-gallon Fluval Spec model desktop tank in case of emergency or regular breakdown. The Spec tank has a very small footprint of 6.75 deep by 19.75 wide. It comes with a filter, activated carbon stocking, a bio-bead stocking, albeit with no air running through them you have to add separately, a powerful water circulating pump that even on the slowest speed is too strong, but it does have an excellent LED light bar that fully lights you every inch of the tank. The light bar has 2 switchable modes, both daylight white and moonlight blue. It also comes with a top cover. Everything you need but an air pump and air stone. I would only recommend this tank for someone who has minimal time for tank maintenance. That said, it is an attractive little tank kit.